I started buying pliables. Nah, we make it at home. Your boy's putting himself to the test today to see if he can recreate the coconut bowl from pliables. Alright, I'm here at pliables with Heba. Say hello. We are having a social distance hangout outside. Both wearing masks. Let's go get some pliables. Alright, Heba's treating today. Heba, everyone wants to know, are you my sugar mama?
Maybe.
We have gotten our pliables. It is now time to try. Now I'm gonna be honest, I usually just get the coconut base with the granola and honey, and I don't get any fruit because I don't like fruit. But for the video, I need to get one that's more colorful. So I'm just gonna push it to the side and go in for this. Check this out. Oh, it already smells. You have that coconut, like frozen goodness with the granola and honey. Let's give it a try. Heavily.
Did you even go to pliables if you didn't post it on Snapchat? On a date, kind of nervous.
All right, so we've been eating. It is super, super delicious. It is like the perfect amount of coconuttiness with like the sweetness. There's some banana in there, even though I hate banana, somehow it's really good. It's just incredible. It can't be that hard to replicate at home, but I don't know if it's gonna be as good. What do you think?
Yeah, Playa's hard to beat.
We shall see. Let's head home, get the ingredients, and time to make some homemade pliables. Thank you for the pliables.
Of course.
All right, I'm now at Whole Foods, which I feel like is the best place to buy this, so let's now get all PPE'd up. All right, I'm all PPE'd up. Let's head inside to Whole Foods, and I feel like it's the only place I'll have all these ingredients, and then it's time to make some pliables. All right, if you know me, you know that I absolutely despise bananas, but they're actually an important ingredient in the pliables, and somehow you don't taste it, so I'm just gonna face my enemy, and we're gonna use it. All right, I have gotten the food. Oh my God, taking off PPE after you go to a store. This must be like what taking a bra off after a long day is like. It's so relieving. All right, I have secured the food. I have tasted the real deal pliables. It is now time, I could have called myself there, to make homemade pliables. Now, typically when I do these videos, I already kind of had made the recipe, I already developed it, I already tested it, I already took the photos. I'm not doing that this time. This time you're gonna see the raw testing it. I have some ideas of what I'm gonna do. So earlier I took the coconut milk I bought, I froze some of it into some coconut milk ice cubes. I then also have some banana over here. You guys know, banana and meat do not mix. Somehow, there is some banana in the coconut bowl at pliables. So I'm gonna put in a touch just to stay authentic, even though it's disgusting. We have some honey for some sweetness. We have some coconut milk over here. We have some coconut flakes for topping. We have all the things. Let's get cooking. All right, we're gonna start in by adding in our coconut milk cubes into the blender. Bam. Now I'm gonna add in my arch nemesis, some banana. That's it. Nope, that's too much. Okay. Oh my God, the texture. The texture, it's disgusting. Okay. That's all I'm putting in. Now I'm gonna add in for some liquid. I'm gonna add in some just regular old coconut milk. The cards are so loud. Now, I have no idea what liquid they use to make it even more liquidy. I'm just gonna use some orange juice because I love orange juice. We're gonna put some of that in there. And then for some sweetness, we're going to add in honey. Now they actually use their own honey. That's incredibly delicious. So I don't know if this will live up to it, but let's just give it a try. And I guess that's it. It's time to blend. That was a fail. There we go. You gotta do it aggressively. All right, so I already tasted it. It tastes pretty fire. It's now a little bit too thin. I mean, don't get me wrong. It's thick with like 3 C's, but we need thick with like 20 C's. I'm gonna pop this into the freezer for about 15-20 minutes just to firm up a little bit, and then it's bowl making time. All right, it is now out of the freezer. Okay, on the thickness scale, I would say we are at like 7 C's. We're not quite at 20 C's, but we'll take what we've got. All right, got this little bowl over here. I feel like this kind of fits the vibe, and now let's just start spooning that into there. Oh my God, this looks incredible so far. It could be a little thicker, you know, but we're gonna make it work. All right, that's looking good. Now, let's just place it over here. Hiba, let's head back to the wide view. It is now time to top it with all of our toppings. So we're gonna top it with some strawberries and blueberries, just like what I got at the restaurant. Cut them super thin. All right, now we're going to top it with some granola over the entire top, kind of as our base. All right, here we go. That is looking good. Now I'm going to top it with a hefty drizzle of honey. I like a lot of honey on top of my Playa bowl, but you can do you and just put however much you want. Now let's top it with our strawberries. We want to make this look aesthetically pleasing. Hiba, do you agree? Hiba agrees. Hiba would say, this looks aesthetically pleasing.
It's Instagrammable.
Here we go. So we have our berries there. Now we've got some blueberries, and let's place them on there as well. There we go. And finally, some shredded coconut, in case you forgot that this dish has coconut in it. And you know what? We're gonna do it. We're gonna add on a little bit more honey, because, you know, you only live once, so might as well do a lot of honey. And there you go, I present my homemade coconut Playa bowl. All right, let's get a scoop, and it is now time to give this a try. Brain freeze. Oh my God, brain freeze. Whew. Okay, now that the brain freeze is out, not gonna lie, it's pretty fire. I would say if Playa Bowls is a 9 out of 10, this is a very solid 7.5 out of 10. Let me break it down. I definitely wish the base was a little bit more frozen. Playa Bowls are much more frozen, but, oh my God, brain freeze again. Okay, I'm not eating anymore while I'm doing this. Okay. But I attribute that to the fact that I'm kind of rushed because I'm filming a video. I don't have the patience to wait. Now, the flavor is pretty strong. There's like a little bit of banana kicking in, but not enough to make me vomit, and I just kind of forget that it's in there. Really strong coconut flavor, great sweetness from the honey. The toppings are delicious. I mean, I'm pretty sure we could say, I think I nailed this one. We made homemade Playa Bowls at home. Super fun, super delicious. I'm gonna stop talking because I can't talk when I get brain freeze. I'm gonna eat more. Oh my God, brain freeze again. It's better now. Hiba, wait, what did you just say?
I said, why'd you give this a 7.5? It's a solid 8.5.
Aww. After eating the whole thing, I now rated a solid 8.5 out of 10. It is absolutely delicious. I would say it is like almost as incredible as it is at actual Playa Bowls. I'll definitely still go there when I want to buy it, but overall it is absolutely delicious. You guys got to try this. If you want the recipes, that are linked down below in the description. And if you haven't already, be sure to hit the big red subscribe button to be the first time I post new videos. And if you need me, I'm going to be making another bowl. Bye.